Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification. Today I am going to show you guys how to get a bigger hips with these 4 ingredients, like these 4 natural ingredients. So first of all, I am going to start by showing you guys oats. This is oats and this is the size I am going to use. I have my banana. This is a ripe banana. If you have overripe banana, that is even better. I have my peanut butter. This is peanut butter. But if you don't have peanut butter, you can use groundnut. But peanut butter is always easier and better. Then I have my almond milk. This is almond milk. So I already washed my banana. You have to wash it. Then, can you see? This banana is very well ripe. This is the best for this. Put it in your blender. Add your oats. Then add your almond milk. Then your peanut butter. Add your peanut butter. Like I said, it's either your peanut butter or your groundnut. So you have to add one. Just 2 tablespoons of peanut butter is okay. 2 tablespoons is okay. See it? Then you blend it. Now you pour it. If you want a bigger hips, then this protein shake is for you. You have to do this every day. You have to drink it like this every day for 7 days. And you will add weight in the right places, especially in your butts and in your boobs. Here, very easy and simple, and also quick to prepare, and very natural as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.